Well, the next thing I would like to try out is, can we get rid of these icons? If you don't like icons, or you say, look, I don't need variety because it says Alt-N and Alt-P and all that, it works. All the keyboard shortcuts are there. Sound is not important. Update, I'll do sudo pacman minus SNI update and stuff like that. And networking, it's always on. I don't need it on a desktop, for instance. You don't really need it, unless maybe VPN and all that, but for the rest. So how to get rid of that? Let's do a super F. Oh, sorry guys. Anyway, doesn't matter. Let's open up our config H. Control find sys. Sys-tray pinning, sloppy sys-tray follows a monitor and so on. Spacing, show sys-tray. That would be a good idea to say a 0. Save. Stop. That's it. We're gonna kill this. We're gonna make a package here and do a make. That's it. And a sudo make install. That's that. Yep, reload. And super X log out. Is the sys-tray still there? Surprise, surprise. Maybe you like it the way it is. Maybe you're already wondering, Eric, you're always doing super C, right? Super C for the conkeys and the other conkeys, Control Alt. Ooh, sorry, that's Plasma you're looking at. So Control Alt, page down, page up. Conkeys are not created for tiling window managers. They are for desktops, and that's nice and it's cool, but it's never really interesting to have it here. But quickly you can have a look. It's okay, CPU frequency, okay, memory 5%, okay, and then super C, gone. For that reason, I understand why the conky should be there. Just have a quick glance, okay. Talking about glances, right? Glances. Install sudo pacman minus s glances. If you want to have a glance at your system, you can do it with the conky. You can do it with bashtop, with glances, and so many other packages. There is more than conkeys. So the sysvol is gone. And that concludes our video.